This is our second lecture, and this lecture is completely dedicated to graphic user interface of AutoCAD. Okay, guys. So this is how when you open the AutoCAD software, this is how it looks like when you launch the software. So at starting, you will see the start drawing itself. While clicking here, you can see and start the model of designing. Okay, and here open files is there. You can open the previous files what you have drawn till now, and you can open the sheet set also, and you can have templates online also. You can, if you have an account on AutoCAD, you can like download and get more templates from online. And this is the recent documents what you have worked here on AutoCAD. Your recent file will show here, and this is the type how you want to show these types. Okay, this is the connect. Here you can sign in and send a feedback to the AutoCAD Autodesk. Okay, got it.
Yes, 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 sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
now we will enter into the software. So we'll start the start drawing. Okay, now this is how it looks like. Okay, this is the user interface of AutoCAD, and every command, every panel will have a specific name. Okay, so at starting you can see the red color A, large A is there. We call this as a application button. Okay, and the next this ribbon is another task is there, like multiple commands are here. So this will called as a quick access toolbar. And then next you will see Autodesk AutoCAD and 2021. So this is the company name the software belongs to. Autodesk is the company name, and which software name is there. So AutoCAD is the software name, and the year in which year it launches. So this is 2021, and this is the drawing one dot dwg. Here we are into the drawing one file. So the drawing one is there. Okay, got it, guys. So the next is this
Sir.
complete panel.
Yes,
Will
sir. Yes, sir. We are understanding.
Yes, this is the info bar. Here we can get the info. Info means information. We can get the info online, offline. Here we can sign in to the account. Here we can add. Okay, we can purchase something if you want. We can connect to Autodesk directly, and we can have the AutoCAD on the web where it is available on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and AutoCAD blog. Okay, here we can maximize, minimize, and close the software, right? And we have a home, insert, annotation, right? What does this called? Can you tell me? Anyone?
Menu bar, I think.
What?
Main menu bar.
No, no, not menu bar. This is the ribbon tabs. Okay, this is the ribbon tabs. In each ribbon we have a different tabs. Okay, so this is the ribbon tab. In each, this is complete. This is a single ribbon, and this is the tab of that. So we call this as a ribbon tab. Okay, we have multiple tabs, and each tab will have a ribbon. This is the complete ribbon, right? Got it, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes.
And this is the ribbon area. I have already explained in this ribbon tab itself. In ribbon area, we have a single panel. First, we have a draw panel. Second, we have a modify panel. Third, we have a annotation panel. Likewise, we have a multiple types of panels, right? In draw panel, we have a command of drawing. In modify, we have a command of all the commands of to modify the geometry. right? Do you guys understanding?
Yes, we are understanding, sir.
Okay. So now we
Like,
can,
sir,
yeah, yeah, go
sorry,
ahead.
there is doubt. I think each and every tabs have must have some specific work of that, that like I want to ask
Yes,
you, I
yes.
use.
Yeah, first we have a home tab. In home tab, we have multiple panels. In the ribbon, we have multiple panels. First, we use for drawing. Second, for modification. Third, for texting or annotation. Fourth, for layers and block properties and groups and utilities, clipboards and views. And second one is the insert tab. In insert tab, we have a block definition, reference. Likewise, we have a multiple tabs, right? Annotation is completely dedicated to the drawing, 2D drawing. How we define the lines, geometry. Okay, and got it.
Yes, 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 sir.
So the
Yes,
next
sir.
is the this area, start and drawing one, drawing two. This is the file tab. Okay, this is the file, first file. This is the second file, right? This is the tab. We are clicking here. We are generating another new file. Like I am into the one, so it is one, drawing one. When we are into two, then it will switch to uh, drawing two file. Okay, so this is the file tab, and at bottom of that we have a viewport control. Here we have a viewport control. Here we can control the view and which side up we are on the top of that. So here also we can see the same. If we switch to the bottom, it will switch to bottom, and we are working on 2D wireframe. Okay, what do we call this? This viewport control. Okay, and this is the graphics area or drawing area, we can say. Okay, this is the complete drawing area. At bottom we have a corner of this x and y. At top we have a two axis, x and y. If we switch to another view, the axis will change. Okay, so what do we call this? Is
Yes,
this
sir, we put for team.
what?
It's UCS, sir. User coordinate system.
Yes, yes, great. This is the UCS, user coordinate system. It is completely defined by the user. So we call this as a user coordinate system. And bottom of that we have a model. A model is for the drawing, and layout is for the to generate the drawing, like in we at which format we want to plot the drawing. Like if we want to convert it to the PDF, we can adjust the drawing into the drawing area here in the layout, and we can plot these things, and the drawing should be in the model itself. So we call this as a layout 1, layout 2. We can click here, and then the layout 1, layout 2 will be created. So this call as a layout tabs. Okay, this call as a layout tabs. At here we you can see the white color line. Here the sim also indicating that types of command. Okay, so this is nothing but a command line palette. We can say command line or command bar. We can say whatever comfortable to you. You can use that name, and you can remember that thing. Okay, and at bottom we have a multiple types of bars. This is bottom we have a bar, and this is called as a status bar toggles. Here we can see the status of these things, of the drawing area. Whether I have a grid on, if we switch off the grid will switch off. It is the showing the status here, whether it is on or off. At next we have a snap mode. If we switch on the snap mode, the snap will only get picked when we are into the command. See, let's do. See, we cannot move. I am not moving. I am just moving to snap. Likewise, this.
Yes, only coordinate to point,
Yeah,
right?
yes,
It's like
yes, yes.
cross section to cross section.
Yeah, yeah, great. Likewise, that's why we call this a status bar toggles. Okay, we are switching units, decimal, right? We are in decimals. We can shift to engineering directly, not going into the units. We type a command un and then when change there itself. So we can directly shift your unit from one unit to another unit with the help of status bar. Okay, and at this side you can see this some faded color of box. This call as a navigation bar. With the help of this, we navigate the drawing. This is uh, helping only in 3D. Not only in 3D, it is based on you how you can utilize these commands, these tools. So we call this as a navigation bar. And above of that, you can see this. What do we call this? Can you specify the name of this? Anyone?
WCS, sir.
What?
WCS.
WCS?
Work coordinate system.
No,
Work
no,
coordinate system.
no, no. We call this as a view cube. This is a view cube. Why do we
Yes,
call this as
e-books.
a view cube? Actually, our we are on the top side, so we are viewing our drawing from the top side. So that's why we call this as a view cube. And this is the direction: north, west, east, south, right? And you are talking about WCS. This is WCS. We have a new user coordinate system. We can shift to new user coordinate system and word coordinate system. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
See this cursor on the screen? Yes or no?
Yes, yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, so this we call as a selection cursor, and center of that we have a box. So we call this as a pick box, and we can also change the color. I'm using it as an yellow color, so we can change this to different colors. That we can see in the upcoming videos how we can arrange the thing according to you, like in which color our background should be, and our like cursor should be, or anything we can modify according to our need at which you are too much comfortable. Okay,